The C300 has a panoramic sunroof. It's got a defective sunroof assembly right now, so we're gonna fix it. So sunroof do this. It just doesn't. For some reason, the front moves, but it comes right back down. So we have to remove the headliner so we can get to the inside of the rail assembly. What we're gonna be removing is the rail and replacing it. So here we have the original rail guides for this Mercedes. There's no aftermarket pieces. It has to be replaced. As you can see, it's one piece rail guide. So now we just remove the actual pieces here. There you go. Okay, we have brand new rail assembly installed on both sides. Brand new rail. I got to put everything back together. Let's see if this works. Oh, of course it's gonna work. Okay, put the glass panel back on. And of course we're gonna do the factory reset and make sure this guy is closing correctly. So we have everything completed already. Let's see. This is how the way